Hey guys, in today's video I will show you guys how I do the fastest hairstyle possible whenever I want to look cute. I know that this is a hairstyle that I am gonna go to and it goes like this. I do want to show you though the wand that I'm going to be using. This is by Duvolle. I don't know how to pronounce it. Duvolle, something like that. And I used this curler for the first time about 2 weeks ago and I was so impressed. I have never had a wand work like that, even when my hair is still kind of wet. So at the moment my roots are still wet. I air dry my hair. I don't like to blow dry it, mostly now that I did all this bleaching crap to it and it got pretty damaged. So I try not to use too much heat, which is why I really love this, because it got the curls done super fast without using so much heat, and it made my hair look super cute for like 3 days. So I'm pretty sure the magic is in the wand. And I am looking at, like, let me show you guys, like, it looks different. I don't know what it is. I actually haven't read much on it, but looking your best every day. It's a tourmaline barrel. That's probably the difference between this one and other ones that I've used that are ceramic. So like my hair just looks like super cute when I can't even explain it. I just love it. But anyways, if you guys want to see how I get my hair done like this and look cute afterwards, keep on watching. Okay, so first thing is first, I am going to clip my hair back. Let me show y'all how I do this. So I grab like half of it. Mind you, I think I just mentioned this, but my roots are still wet because I like my hair to be air dried. I don't like to do too much. So I am obviously not very well prepared because my brush is somewhere else. So my hair got pretty damaged after the bleaching, but I am bringing it back to life. I will be using this little glove because I don't like to burn my hands. So half of my hair is already up. I already have my glove on. This little guy is already hot, so I think it's time we get started. I have about this much in the back, so y'all can see. I'm gonna separate it in half, brush it. It is definitely a bad hair day because my tips usually do not look this tostado. But let me go ahead and do this. And this glove is the shit because I do not feel any heat on my fingers. So when I let it go, do that. And obviously if you want it to be more curly, you leave it longer. But on the bottom, I just want it to be like a little bit wavy, and the top ones are the ones that I do with more time. Whoops. You see, since this one's gonna be more in the front, look how cute. Like, oh my god, I'm so obsessed with this. Okay, so then now I'm gonna grab the back one. I'm gonna grab half of that. So cute. So as you guys can see, I already got 4 curls down. You guys, another thing I forgot to mention before getting started is I have Mufasa hair. Like, if you guys follow me on Instagram or you've been like following me here, you know, oh my god, what am I doing? Concentrate, Astrid. You guys know that I have so much hair. Like, so much. Whenever I go get my hair done, people are like, oh my god, you have so much hair. And I'm like, sorry. So I'll show you what that is looking like so far. So cute. Okay, we'll continue. Then I toss that part to the front and I grab another bunch and then I just curl this. as we get closer to the front and to the top, I don't know if you guys are noticing that the bunches are getting smaller. So in the back, I grab bigger bunches just because I usually put my hair to the side, or like since it's all together back there, it blends really nicely. But the ones that come to the front, you do want them to be more defined. So that is a trick when you need to get this done faster. So now I'm just gonna go down the middle, split, brush it. And like I said, once you're getting to the front, you grab smaller bunches. So and it's all done. So now I'm just gonna go grab my little hairspray and show you guys how I do it to the side so that it can look like nice and like Hollywood-ish. So I'll be right back. So I actually don't mind leaving it like this because I think that's kind of cute too, but I will keep my word and show y'all. So usually I just stuff my nail over here where I feel that I want to do the break. Put it to the side like that. Okay, so don't worry about those little guys because, you know. Now I use the Chi hairspray, but honestly, any hairspray will do. So I do that, very little, don't go too crazy. And brush it to the side so that those little baby hairs can go to sleep. Okay, now I also do that. And when that is done, I grab this and clip it so that I can stay up here and grab some volume. Now with that being said, I grab a little bit more and I bring out my little baby hairs. Let me see. Because if I don't do this, you guys, oh shit. If I don't do this, those damn little baby hairs are gonna be like that by the time that I want to look the cutest. Okay. So, let me tell you a little bit about this. Meanwhile, this gets a little warm. I am super in love with it. My curl is frizz free. And I mentioned to you guys that my hair was still wet. Like over here, even right now, it still feels like a little bit wet. But like usually when your hair is wet and you use heat, that shit will be like boom. Because I've done it before. I've had curlers that if my hair is just a tad bit like still moisty, it's like a mess. Like I end up definitely looking like Mufasa. So I am loving it. I love how fast it actually makes the curl. Because obviously it's still wet, so the curl shouldn't even be made. This thing is special. It distributes the heat in a way that it just like grabs like the whole hair, even if it's wet. So I am obsessed with this. I'm definitely gonna order more from them. I will link it down below as well so you guys can check it out. This is only like $28 with my 70% off. So you will find the link below and you can use my code to get 70% off and you end up taking it at $28. Like, how cool is that? But, and then let me just read up a little bit on it for you guys. Because you want to grab yourself one of these for sure. So they have like other stuff. They have the curly one, 32. This one is the big one, I think. This one's the 32. And then they have the 25. So let me tell you a little bit. So it's state-of-the-art tourmaline fight frizz and static, which is exactly what I was just telling you guys. Like, there's absolutely no frizz. Infrared heat technology deepens, penetrates, and distributes heat, reducing heat damage. And yes, because obviously if it distributes it instead of just leaving it in one little spot, like just in the very first bunch that it's touching, it distributes it evenly, and that's why it does it faster, reducing damage overall. Ergonomic grip makes styling easy and comfortable, and that damn glove makes it very easy too. I've actually had other with the glove that are not that great, and the glove does not even work. I still burn my freaking finger. With this one, as y'all can see, I was like super fast, and that glove really helped me out. Clamp-free wand keeps hair healthier and more natural. And yes, I actually agree with that, because you see the ones that have the little clamp, you grab the tip with the clamp and then you grab the rest of the hair going up, when what you really need to be taking care of is your tip. So that's the last thing you want to put on the heat. You want to start on the top, because this is like new hair, it's not even damaged, and leave your tip for last and like just barely touch it and then let it go. So yes, I definitely prefer this over the ones with the clamps. Let me see what else this little guy says. Long tangle free cord. Okay, so I guess this cord is tangle free, so hell yeah, who wants to be breaking it apart? And it's 8 feet long, by the way, so you can go real far from wherever you have it connected. But anyways, I think it's time to take this off. There you go. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of oil. As I was telling you guys, since I bleach my hair, I'm doing anything to have healthy hair. So you can see all my Monet stuff that I ordered. But the oil, like, for some reason, I'm not a big fan of it yet. I used it on my scalp yesterday, so I feel that like kind of is like a treatment. Okay guys, this is the finished product. Let me know what you think below if you do end up ordering this wand. I would never recommend something that I don't like. I would never let you guys know that something is the bomb when it's really not. So 100% you are going to love this. And I hope you like my little hairstyle. I literally curled it in less than 10 minutes. The styling and everything else is something else, but obviously, like, altogether it probably would have taken me like less than 15 minutes if I wasn't recording and chatting with you guys. But anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Give it a like, subscribe, let me know what y'all think down below, and I hope to see you guys on the next one.